Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to talk about the best tips and tricks to fix hearing control center not working on iPhone and iPad. Are you having trouble with the hearing control in the control center on your iPhone or iPad? Whether the live listen isn't working, or the background sounds won't toggle, or the hearing devices aren't responding, I have got you covered with some pretty handy fixes. That said, let's get started. So first off, I will recommend you to reset the control center on your device. More often than not, you can fix the malfunctioning control center by just resetting it. As this tip has worked for me on many occasions, I'm going to bank on it to sort out the problem. To do so, you have to launch the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. And then you have to choose the control center. After that, you have to tap on Reset Control Center and confirm the action. And then you have to restart your device. And once your device has rebooted, you have to bring up the control center by swiping down from the top right corner of the screen. And then you have to tap on the plus button located at the top left corner of the screen. After that, tap on Add a Control button. Then you have to scroll down to the Hearing Accessibility section and choose the hearing icon. Then you have to tap on the empty space to confirm the action. Going forward, whenever you want to access and use your favorite hearing features like live listen or background sound and more, just bring up the control center and then you have to tap on the hearing icon. And then you can enable or disable your favorite hearing feature depending on your needs, and that's pretty much it. Finally, I will recommend you to update the software on your device because I suspect that a software bug might be causing the problem and preventing the hearing control center from functioning properly. To do so, you have to launch the Settings app on your device and then you have to choose the General option. Then you have to choose the Software Update option and then you have to proceed to download and install the latest version of iOS or iPadOS, and that's pretty much it. Hopefully you have managed to fix the hearing control center problem and now your favorite hearing features have started to work as usual. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it and do subscribe for more such handy iPhone and iPad tips and tricks. Take care, have a great time, bye-bye.